Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Terry. Welcome. So today I'll be doing a hair review and hair installation with this hair right here. It is from Nadula's hair. I'm just showing you guys what came in the package. You have this satin hair scarf. Love this purple and pink ombre. You get your nude wig cap, and also you get a thank you card with all the hair care guides towards the back. And this is the start of the show. This is a 10-inch long bob wig. It's a 4x4 closure, 150% density, and this is what the inside is looking like. You get your 3 combs as well as your closure right there. So now I'm just going to go ahead and prep my hair for installation. I'm going to go ahead and smooth my edges first using the Eco Styler gel. And then I'll use my edge brush to brush my hair in so that I can lay flat, and it will be like easier to blend with the wig. So today I'll be using the Pump It Up Spritz to hold my hair into place, and I also use this to hold my closure down. So I went ahead and I put the wig on just to see how it fits. And I'm going to use some mousse to like hold down the flyaways that's in the front, because I want to go in and cut my lace. So it's really easy. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace starting from the center, and then I take my razor and I cut the rest of the lace off. By using the razor, it helps to give it this natural look, guys. And let me tell you, when I cut this lace off, it was like invincible. I was like, what is? And I didn't even start styling it yet, guys. That's how natural looking this closure is. So before I go ahead and glue that down, I'm going to use my foundation to kind of blend in with my complexion, because the lace was a little bit too light for my liking. So I did that. Then I put the wig back on and I neatened up the center parting. And I'm going to show you guys a close-up of what the lace is looking like. Look how natural that is. I also didn't bleach the knots. That's why I added a foundation to the closure so that it can blend properly with my complexion. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and get my hair out of the way so that I can install my closure wig. And as I said before, I'll be using the Pump It Up Spritz to hold the closure down, and I'm just spraying that right before my hairline. Not on my hair, actually. I'm just putting it right before my hairline, and once it kind of like dries down and get tacky, I hold the hair down until it is on there. I also use the like rat tail comb to like press it into my skin as well, so that it can look super natural. Now I'm just going to go ahead and like take down some baby hair so that I can blend in with my edges that's coming down. So I'm just taking out just a little bit, and then I use the razor to cut off the excess hair, and I'll go in with the mousse to smooth the baby hairs into place. Next, I'm going to take an elastic band and tie my hair down. I leave that on for about 5 minutes, and then I go ahead and take that down, and look how melted that closure looks, guys. It's almost looking like a frontal, in my opinion. So I had some like dry stuff on my forehead, so I used my alcohol with cotton to clean that off. Using that hot comb, I'm just taking it right on my edges to kind of like bump the front a little bit, and also the parting area, kind of help it to lay flat. Then I go in with my flat iron and I bump the ends of the hair. I didn't go in depth with like flat iron in the hair. I just bumped the ends so that I can like get that bob, that curled under bob look. Really cute. I went back in with the comb just to like flatten the hair some more. This hair right here, it really reminds me of when my hair was relaxed but with body. So I'm just gonna go in with the Got2b glue spray to help to hold down any flyaways. And I went in with some concealer as well, just to widen it a bit and to make it look more natural. Then I take my finger and I blend that in so that it doesn't look so harsh. Alright, and this is a finished look, you guys. As I said, this bob hair reminds me of when my hair was relaxed but with much more body. Super cute, quick hairstyle. I also could have rocked this hair glueless, but I decided to go in with my sprays today. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Peace.